Hi, can you tell us who you are and where you're from?
Andrew Lewman from the Tor Project.
And we'd like to ask you some questions today about some online privacy attacks. Can you explain cookie syncing?
Sure. Cookie syncing cookies are little files that are written to your computer through your browser, requested by websites. Sometimes they store your login credentials, or they store little bits about you that, you read this article, visited this, part of your bank account or something like that. And advertisers and online tracking mechanisms sometimes use cookies to figure out, have you read this, where else have you been, and what have you done? Cookie syncing is the ability to read cookies between different websites. So like if you go to Facebook, you log in, you do all your update your wall and look at your friend's status and all that, and then you log into Twitter. Facebook and Twitter have figured out how to read each other's cookies so that the cookies are now synced, so Facebook knows exactly what you did on Twitter, and Twitter knows what you did on Facebook, as an example.
And what can be done to defend against this kind of online privacy attack?
It's a complex topic because it's sort of using loopholes in the browser to get around it, or using completely legitimate technologies like iframes or JSON, which is a JavaScript object, to bypass policies that say Twitter can only read Twitter's cookies, Facebook can only read Facebook cookies. There are some plugins out there that will stop cross-site requests, such as that, and there's Tor browser, which we're trying to also implement things that will stop JSON and iframe and other violations of same origin policy is what it's called, to get that to work.
So what can ordinary people do to defend against these kind of attacks?
You can go into your add-on store, whether it's Chrome or Firefox or Safari, and look for plugins that will stop cookie syncing attacks, or you can download the Tor browser, and it tries to do it by default.
And how can people download Tor browser?
You can go to torproject.org and download the Tor browser. Click on the download button.
Thank you very much.